I defined 9 drivers that make up for a brand. The first one is their reason. You gotta think, what is your reason? Your reason cannot be like, I wanna be rich and have a lifestyle and retire by 50. Of course, that can be your motivation. Everybody wants that, but that's not the reason that will make people buy anything or hire you because of that. Because you need to bring value to whatever you are doing, or else people won't believe in you, won't buy from you in the end. So you need to think what change in the world you want to bring. I believe that the change that I want to bring is to change the market, the recruitment market, and how the industry is in Ireland. So that's one of our missions as a company as well, to make people get to the jobs directly, get to the companies, making them believe in themselves in a manner up to a level that they can go there and sell themselves directly to the company.